and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make sopapillas. And in case you don't know what a sopapilla is a fried pastry that goes perfect with cinnamon and sugar or drizzle with honey and powdered sugar. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, vegetable oil, 3/4 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of shortening, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and if you want to coat them in sugar and cinnamon, here I have 1/2 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And if you choose to drizzle them with honey, then here we have the honey and some powdered sugar. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by mixing all of our dry ingredients. So here I have the baking powder, sugar, and the salt. So we're just going to mix that. Okay, so once we have that mix, we're going to add our shortening. And then with that shortening, we're just going to mix it with our flour. So you're just going to work your shortening along with your flour. And then once it's all dissolved in there, we're going to add our water. So I'm just trying to mix it all together, and then I'm gonna take it out of the bowl and start kneading it. So now we're just going to work our dough for about 3 minutes. Once we have our dough ready, we're going to place it back into our bowl, and we're going to cover it with the lid or with the cloth and let it sit for 20 minutes in a warm place. After we're done, we're going to start working on our sopapillas. Okay, so now after 20 minutes, we're going to preheat our oil in medium-high heat. So just make sure you put enough oil. So now we can start rolling our dough. Okay, so now we're just going to roll our dough. So just as if you're making tortillas. But just make sure that you don't roll it very thin. We still want it to be a little thick, just so like that our sopapillas can be fluffy. You know, we want them to be fluffy, not crackers. So just make a circle. Okay, so that's good. As you can see, it's not very thin. So now we're just going to start cutting them. And just depending on how big you want them to be, I mean, I like them to be kind of like bite sizes. So just cut them like that. So we're just gonna cut them into little squares. And once you have them cut and the oil is hot enough, we're going to deep fry them. Okay, so once the oil is hot, we're just going to place them. And start cooking them. Alright guys, so once they're done, we're going to take them out and drain them. And we're just going to do them to all of our dough. Alright guys, and if you decide to dip them in our sugar and cinnamon mixture, I suggest for you guys to do it while the sopapillas are hot. So like that, the sugar can stick to it better. And for Louis' favorite way, fun fact, you guys, this is the first thing I had to learn when me and Louis got together. Like, I had to learn how to make this because these are his ultimate favorite. So I just drizzle some honey. And you can also drizzle chocolate if you want, or put ice cream on top. You know, whatever your preference is. They taste so good. And I'm just gonna powder some sugar. And there you go. Super delicious. He's already ready to eat them. You're not mad at me no more? And now for the best part, taste test. It smells all drooly. They're like the little clouds, you know, so fluffy, so delicious. And they taste so good when they're warm. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious sopapillas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And in the comments down below, let me know how is it that you guys like to enjoy this delicious dessert. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And also hit the little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.